are gonna head out to a meet, and today's special guest is none other than my brother Nismo. Welcome back, guys. If you see the video name, you should know what's going on. I'm gonna pick up the new transmission. It's gonna be stronger than ever. I'm no longer gonna grind on my third or fifth gears. It is the CD09 transmission. It is the more updated, stronger version. It can handle more power, and the synchros, they like put double cone or something like that, so on all the gears, so it won't really grind as much. Shout out to my mom. She's driving me in the Suburban so we could pick it up. I couldn't pick it up in my Z, unfortunately. I heard that you can if you remove the seat, but I don't want to do that. Before we arrive, taking my sister to Burger King. She really likes the Whoppers. I like the Whoppers. So yeah, this is the CD09. This is CDO number 2 instead of 5, 8, and 1. Got a new slave cylinder. Z1 Motorsports, he handed it to me. Stage 2 clutch from my birthday that I bought. It's gonna be a whole upgrade. Oh, and there's an Leighton flywheel inside too. Episode of Wonder What's Wrong With My Car Now. I'm gonna check the scanner real quick and I'll update. Here's the code, P0442, evaporative emission system leak detected. Small one. This has happened before. All what we have to do really is, I believe, close something up, something that's not really tightened up, and it should be good. Anyways, I'm gonna pop open my hood, do what I can, and then from there we're gonna be headed home. So now that I'm home, my package came in from Z1 Motorsports. It is a throwout bearing from the transmission, the new CD09. We'll have a new throwout.